Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to use split screen on Windows 11. Before we start the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. So let's get started. First of all, let me open the tabs. Now, drag one window to the top of the screen until the split option appears. After that, keep this tab in one side, then click on the other window to place it on the second side. That is it. Now, as you can see, I can use these two windows at the same time. In this way, you can also use more than two windows at the same time using the split option from the top of the screen. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. Thanks for watching this video.